drop in tourist arrivals, in especially the foreign arrivals. Charter business is down by about 30% because of Thomas Cook, and the Russian drop is also very much visible. Domestic tourism is doing well, but now we are afraid that there might be a bigger drop because of these various rape cases coming up in the newspapers every day. It's creating a scare. Already, US and UK have given a travel advisory about coming to India, and unless something is done immediately, the industry is afraid that there will be a further drop. When a foreigner reads about India, it includes Goa also. So although Goa is much better, we have not had many such cases of rapes in Goa, but still the fear factor is there. And especially when the country issues a travel advisory, it becomes, it's read by everybody in the country, in their countries.
So in future,
It can affect. I'm not saying it will affect, but it can affect. We are scared of it. We are afraid of the business of FITs, couples coming, single people coming. We are afraid of that. He wants the people to be careful about ladies traveling alone. That they say it is a bit risky, and it's true. There are too many rape cases happening recently, attacks on women. So it is a bit scary.